everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a real boy today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this Halloween lookbook number 2. My name is Pinocchio, and I will show you guys how I achieve this look. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and let me know what you think. I'm not a puppet anymore, 'cause I'm a real boy.
So I tried to make it look like I didn't have any eyebrows, and I tried to use the Elmer's glue and my concealer, but that didn't go as planned, so I ended up just taking it off and just going with my eyebrows. So if you see my eyebrows at any point in this video, mind your business, okay? But anyways, I went in with my Thank Me Later primer, and I applied my old foundation that I no longer use. I applied that to my face. So I went ahead and did one eye off camera, and I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. So basically what I did was I took my white face paint and I just made like Pinocchio's eyeball. I did it outside of my eye to make it look like it's really his eye. After I did that, I let it dry, and then I applied some white eyeshadow to it to kind of just set it in place. And then after I did that, I went back in my face paint and I took my blue color and I kind of applied like his eyes. That would be like his eye color. And then I also set that with my blue eyeshadow once I colored that part in. And then I went in with the black to give him the pupil. To do his pupil, I went in with the black, and then I also went in with the black eyeshadow after I painted it black. Okay, so after that, I took the same liquid liner and I just drew like a line from my like the corners of my mouth down to make it seem like I was really a puppet. I don't know if that makes sense. I think y'all understand what I'm saying. But anyways, so yeah, just watch me and you will see what I mean because I ain't got no type of time. Okay, so after that, I went back in with the same brown that I use on my eye, and I just kind of just gave those lines, some depth, to make it really look puppet-like. So I went back in with that same brown, and I kind of just did like, on my cheeks to make it, more like a doll puppet-ish. Y'all know what I mean. And then I went in with my Alamar Cosmetics blush palette, and I just took this shade right here and kind of just gave my cheeks, like some rosy red, like how those dolls' cheeks be looking. So yeah, so I went and I did that. After I did that, for the final touches, which would be the nose, I went ahead and took a piece of cardboard that I had in my house and I just basically just rolled it up. Um, and then I went ahead and used my latex glue. I put the glue, my liquid latex, on my nose, and then I basically stuck on the nose to my face, and that's pretty much it. Oh, with the nose, I also applied my concealer and some lines to make it look like, it was like a tree. And then that's that. That's the end of my look.
Thank you all for watching, and I will see you